Good morning, children. This is your English class. So, textbook we completed one poem and two lessons, children. So, today what one lesson, I think, one poem and one lesson. So, today what we'll do? A grammar book. One class I did, I think. So, then that was about sentence. Half I gave introduction. Today, little bit I'll tell what is. Once again, I'll do the remaining exercise. So, do one thing. This is your grammar book, English grammar book. All are having no? Open the book, children. Page number 8 you open. Page number 8 you open because up to 7, fourth main, up to fourth main I completed. Daily grammar book do with along with me only. So it won't be any pending and afterwards it won't be having, you won't feel any difficulty. So do along with me only, open the book. Page number 8, grammar book you open. Now, what is the this one chapter about? It is about sentence. Sentence. Chapter is about sentence. Now, what is sentence? When we talk, we write, we use sentence. To express something, we use sentence. So, if I say what is this sentence, in the sentence, what you'll have few words. But it is a group of words, but it should give some meaning. If you don't arrange properly, it won't give any meaning. We cannot call it sentence. So, each sentence definition, if you see, means a group of words that gives a complete meaning. This is important. When you say some sentence, some expression, you should express something that should be understandable to the other person. So that is called sentence. So it should be meaningful. So that is a group of words that gives a complete meaning is called sentence. Okay, so understood what is sentence? Now, it can be 4 types of sentences. Like normal what we say, that is called statement. And all sentence, it should start with capital, end with full stop or question mark or exclamation sign that I'll discuss now. So there are 4 types of sentences are there, like statement. Statement means normally what we're saying. Like if I want an example, if you see, you'll understand better. I'm telling I love ice cream. That means one statement you are giving means you like ice cream. Understood? So this is called statement. Here also it will start with capital, end with full stop. Okay, it will end with full stop. One more you are very familiar with, that is question. You ask too many questions now, so it is very familiar with you. That is question, means what is your name? So it will also start with capital, first letter will be capital and end with question mark. So this is called question sentence. Third one, it is command. Command means when we are telling to do something. Suppose I am telling open the door, close the window. So like that command we are giving, there also it is like a statement. Start with capital and end with full stop. So this is called command. One more is there. If you see something beautiful, suddenly you see something, you are very excited or you get a strong feeling or expression you want to express. That is only called exclamation. Suppose you see suddenly a beautiful bird. What you say? What a beautiful bird. For that also, you should start with capital and end with, this is only called exclamation sign. One line and one dot. So this is important. So understood 4 types of sentences. One is statement, starts with capital, ends with full stop. Question sentence means starts with capital, end with question mark. Third one is command, when we tell something to do for the other person. So that also starts with capital, end with full stop. Exclamation means we express some strong feeling. Suppose good picture you are seeing or something like that. So when you do the exercise, it will be clear for you. So this much you understood. We'll do the exercise now. Up to 4th main I did in the previous class. Now you open page number 9, children. So here see 5 examples are there. 5 different types of sentences are given. You have to write what kind of sentence it is. So open page number 9 now. So number 1, I'll read for you and write the answer here. This is 6th main, page number 9. You should see now. Page number 9. 6th main. So first one, and the options they have given already in the bracket. See, first one, can I have a glass of water? So if it question mark is very easy to find out. It is question. So within the bracket you write question. What is the spelling? Question, question. Second one you see now. This is number 1. Number 2 you see. What a funny story. So the exclamation sign you see means you will understand. So exclamation. See the spelling EXCLAMATION. Exclamation. MATION. Third one is give me your pen, please. That means you are saying something to do for other person. So it is command. It is command. What is the spelling? COMMAND. Command. Fourth one you see. I like bread with jam. That means one statement you are giving. That you like bread with jam. So this is statement. What is the spelling? STATE. Statement. Statement. So number 5. Trees give a shade. This is also statement they are giving. Okay. So for fifth one also statement. So reading the sentence you should understand. So 6th month over. Now see 7th month. What is the question? Rewrite the sentence with punctuation. Now what is punctuation? So how to write the sentence? That is only punctuation. Means if it is question, you should end with question mark. Like that I told you, no? So command means end with full stop. Then exclamation means end with that sign. So that is only called punctuation sign. Okay. So whatever the sentence is there, rewrite 1 second on the dash. 1 second rewrite and put the correct punctuation mark. Now see, this is 7th main is what a shame. Number 1, this is 7th main. What a shame. You rewrite on the dash now. 1 second you rewrite. 1 second you have to write the sentence. So what a shame. What a shame. So this is also exclamation. A strong feeling you are expressing. So this, rewrite the sentence and put this punctuation mark. This is only punctuation mark. Mary had a little lamb. So second one, Mary had a little lamb. So this is statement. So put full stop. Third one, go away from here means this is also a command. So full stop. Go away. Third one you write go away. On the dash you write children go away from here. From here. Full stop. Okay, next one. Where did you go? So then next one obviously question. Where did you go? Question mark. Next. How tall this building is? This is also exclamation. So how tall this building is? This building is. Here you should put exclamation sign. Now see 7th, 8th main. One picture you can see, children. 8th main you see. One man is seeing some different what kind of figure, that is called alien. Alien means what? Alien. This word you knew for you. Alien means what? Sometimes you imagine that some other planet people are coming. Sometimes they visit our planet. Like these are imagination. So how they look like we never saw. So that is some robot type appearance. They just imagine. So one man is asking, how funny you look. Who are you? Aliens. So these two are aliens. One yellow and one green. They are aliens. Means some object they come from other planet. We think like that. Aliens. We are aliens. We have just landed from Mars. Mars one planet. From there we have come. Man, where are you here? Why are you here? Aliens. We have come to see the earth. We hear it is a nice place. So they are saying it's a nice place we heard. So we came to see her. Man, the earth is our home. Go back to your own planet, please. Aliens, you can't say that. We will stay here as long as we want. Man, leave at once or I will call the others. Aliens, okay, we will stay here for a few days and leave. The man is saying, that's fair. So, few conversation, one man and two aliens. Now, next page, page number 10, you see children. Page number 10. Page number 10. Page 10. So first one, they gave statement. Second one, they gave command. C-O-M-M-A-N-D, command. Third one, exclamation. Exclamation. Question. Question, question. Now what they asked? From the conversation you had the last page, from there you have to find out statement, sentence, common sentence, like that you have to example. So I'll do for you, just copy in your book, page number 10. Statement, you write, the earth is our home. That is like a statement only. The earth is our. So this sentence you should write. The earth. So this one you should write on the dash. Understood, children? From this conversation, you have to find out. There is different kind of sentences because they are talking in sentence. You have to find out statement sentence, then common sentence, exclamation, and question. Question easily you find out. Now question mark is there means that sentence. So anyway, I'll do for you. You write on the book directly. The earth is our home. Earth is our home. Earth is our home. Second command, leave at once or I will call others. Leave at once. Leave at once. Or I will call police. Or I will call others. Call others. So this is common sentence. Okay, next one, exclamation. You see, how funny you look. How funny you look. You look. Exclamation. Question, who are you? Who are you? Question mark. So on the dash you should write these 4 questions. So this sentence from where I got? That man and the aliens, that conversation. From there I took. Next, number 9. It's very easy, but you have to read the paragraph. Okay. So what is the paragraph I read for you? It was 7 o'clock. Which one? 9th main I'm reading. One paragraph is there, you see. It was 7 o'clock. Tony jumped up from his bed and rushed to brush his teeth. He quickly had his shower and wore his school uniform. He dashed out of his house without taking breakfast. Soon he was at the bus stop. He got into the bus, but the bus was not going on the regular route. He realized that he was on the wrong bus. He got off at the next bus stop. Then he walked all the way. At least he reached the school. But what did he see? The school gate was closed. So was it a school holiday? He wondered. Indeed it was. He walked back home. What a bad day. Now, write yes or no. So, reading the paragraph, you should understand. So, this is the last main, children. This is 9th main. Only yes or no you have to write. So, 9th main. In grammar book, don't keep anything pending. Do along with me. So, this is the 9th main. See here. Number 1. Number 2, bracket is there. Number 3, bracket is there. Number 4, bracket is there. Number 5, bracket is there. So what is the sentence I read for you? Tony woke up late? Yes. So, first one you write? Yes. Y-E-S. Yes. Number 2. Tony got into the wrong bus? Yes. Because he realized that he was on the wrong bus. Right? Yes. Number 3. Tony saw his friend at the gate? No. And no? No, you write. Number 4. It was a school holiday? Yes. That he didn't know. Yes. Next one. It was a good day of what, Tony? No. Because he missed the bus. It is no. So one grammar about sentence, this portion I have completed. Next class, also you stay with the grammar book. Lesson number 2 will continue. Okay. So thank you children. Have a good day.